Alright, I'm back. It's been a while, about a week. Been out of town, so I haven't been doing much day trading. So I'll get right into it. First, before we show you this trade, I want to show you the losing trade I had today. So this is a bad trade. I got into this. If you look at the daily, it was down, big gap down the other day, and then today it gapped up a little bit, right? It opened right here. I thought maybe it could recover a lot of this. That was just wishful thinking, which you should never base your day trades on wishful thinking. You can see it went down on the day, came back up, recovered, and I thought, okay, it's basically an opening range break. I said, alright, maybe we'll get in here, but it's so far from VWAP, and the candles are kind of messy. It did have the 10 EMA on a 15-minute chart. This is obviously a 15-minute chart. But it was just bad decision, because then it just went down. I mean, if I had gotten in short here, almost, 50 cents short, basically. So it was just a bad trade. I didn't have a lot supporting it. I think the SPY was doing well at the time, too, so I thought that would support it. But really, when you look at the daily, this is just, it's more likely this is a continuation when you have this big red candle. And not a lot of volume. I mean, a little volume spike here. So it wasn't great. So yeah, that was a bad trade. But I made up for it with my only other trade of the day, which was Alaska Air Group, airline stock. So this came up on my scanner that I've mentioned before, a bouncing VWAP scanner that I put together. Great scan. It's been giving me lots of opportunities. So you can see what it does is it looks for stocks that go down on the day and then they're coming back up through VWAP. So that's what happened. I probably got alerted right around here. It was down on the day and started coming back up through VWAP, and then it held it. You can see here it kind of bounces off VWAP a couple times. Big long tail down, comes down, bounces up, and that's when I got in. I said, all right, I'm going to get in around 65.30-ish, put my stop around 65.17-ish or whatever, 13, 14 cent buffer. And it didn't do much for a while, and then all of a sudden a big spike up, and I got out everything right here because there wasn't a lot of volume, so I didn't think it could continue up more. And usually when you see a big spike like this with not a lot of volume, there could be a big drop. And look what happened. As soon as I got out, it was like right after I got out, pivoted right off of this exit and went straight down. I mean, if I had shorted, like after a couple red bars here, 3 red bars here, 65.46, almost a full dollar. One other indicator here is, look at this 30-minute chart. Look what happened here. 10 EMA on 30, right? Stayed nice and below it. But look at this big topping tail right here. It's big, right? So right here, after you see this big topping tail, you see a big red, you can get in right here on a short, 65.23, ride it all the way down, almost 75 cents. So could have done that, but I was just happy because you see this bearish, also on the 15-minute chart, bearish engulfing candle here. You could have gotten in at 65.30, down, boom. So a lot of options there, but I was just happy for this nice little win. A couple other stocks I was looking at that I didn't have a chance to take any positions here. Another one of my bouncing VWAP. Down on the day, kind of bounces here through VWAP, and look at this. It goes up through VWAP, then comes back down, and then uses it as support. So you could have gotten in right here, 108.51, almost 50 cents right up. So that would have been a nice gain. Let's see. Oh yeah, this showed up on an early scan of mine. I almost got in right here, 16.48. I just couldn't take it. Too early in the day for me. Oh yeah, I put an indicator right here. Another one of my bouncing VWAPs. Look at this, 34.83. I put a little marker here where I thought I might get in. Over $1. It's too bad. So yeah, that was it for today. Hopefully come back tomorrow with some new trades to show you guys. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks.